So, problem statement. Due to the recent rise of social media, there have been an exponential rise in hate speech. Hate speech previously was expressed on social media in the form of posts in Facebook, as tweets in Twitter, as well as comments in YouTube section. But recently, with the rise of internet, there have been a great rise of audio and vi- video format of hate. Hate speech toward people of particular gender or ethnicity is rampant in social media, and these online abominations lead to real life consequences such as the escalation of fear and hate throughout the communities. So, what is the scope of our project? We are targeting hate speech, which is in the form of audio and video. And the videos that we use for detection are hate in the form of racist and sexist. And in our system, the content goes through a threshold value of hate. If it is within that value, then it is allowed to be uploaded, else it is been blocked. So, current system. Most of the current hate speech detection methods focus more on textual data such as posts, comments, and tweets. The social media platforms rely on users to report hate contents, which are present in form of audio or video. These platforms have implemented detection algorithms using various machine learning models and other frameworks to combat the hate speech. However, these algorithms can be bypassed most of the time. Need of our system. With the rise of social media, there has been an exponential rise in online hate. This is the there is a need of restriction of hateful content circulating online. The proposed system checks if the uploaded content is within the threshold allowed before being uploaded. So here we represent three of the many papers that we read before starting the implementation of the project. Firstly, the first research paper, which was published in Springer, used a random forest method for hate speech detection. It had an accuracy of 78.4%, and it had used data only from Twitter, that is tweets. So the gap in this paper was that it used only text data and tweets to detect hate. The second paper used multi-viewed SVM, which has an accuracy of 70.4% and used dataset including tweets and other social media platforms. But even here the gap is the same. It cannot detect hate in the form of audio. The third paper used natural language processing, optimization, and ensemble deep learning approach, which and it is said it was and it had an accuracy of 98%, but it cannot detect audio or video of form of hate. So this is the architecture diagram of our proposed system. So here, firstly, we take from the source, that is Twitter and YouTube. We take the video data, we extract the video data and have downloaded these videos using an crawler and created an video data set. And after that, we have used an FFmpeg API, which would convert that audio into video, that is MP4 data into FLAC data, and act- this audio to video converted, sorry, audio, this video to audio converted data is then converted into text using assembly API, and then transcript of data is being formed. This text and this transcript is then undergoes NLP processing stage. After that, we after that it goes through our algorithm and checks whether it is within the threshold value of it, and if it is, and after that the result is thrown, that is whether the it is within the threshold value or more than threshold. If it is within the threshold, then it is allowed to be uploaded, and if it is greater than the threshold, then it is been rejected. So for the project, the software and requirement and hardware requirements are as follows. For as part of software requirement, we have used Python 3, Flask for basic UI implementation, NLTK module of NLP for detection of hate in Chrome browser, and hardware we have used an system with 1 TB hard disk, 8 GB RAM, and 1050 NVIDIA graphics. So these are the references, links of references of paper that we have studied. Thank you. Now Saurabh will take you through the demonstration of our project.
So hello everyone. I'm going to guide you through the demonstration. So basically, this is the folder from which we are going to take the hate speech audio file, and now you should hear one of this video.
Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself, cunt. Exactly. Fuck off. The coppers are coming. Go home, cunt. Go home, you fucking dogs.
Go back before we belt you up.
Go home.
Go back before we belt you up. Piss off. Get out of here.
Where's my kids? Oh, we don't think about that. We just want to immigrate to Australia. All the good stuff. All the good stuff. Now fuck off, you wog fuck.
Typical Australian. You go back now. You just go back. You made your point.
Have I made my point?
Yeah.
Well, fuck off.
Yeah, go back.
Fuck off.
Go back.
What are you going to do?
Nothing.
What are you going to do?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Just go back
Well,
to where you're
fuck
sitting.
off.
Go back to
You're
where you're
not
sitting.
come to this country, cunts.
Why? Is it yours?
Because you're fucking dagos.
Is it your country?
Because you're fucking ugly and you're fucking wog.
No, a lot better than what you are,
Where's
mate.
my fucking kids? Have you thought about my family?
Why? Where's your family?
No, you don't think about
Where is it?
What?
Where's your
What?
family? Where's your
Fucking
family?
What?
Don't touch me.
What,
Don't
cunt?
touch me.
What?
Don't touch me. I'll smack you.
Yeah, well, come on, smack me.
I'll smack you. Stay back.
Don't
Stay
fucking
back.
take my fucking picture,
Stay back.
cunt.
Stay back.
You're not allowed to take
Stay
my
back.
picture.
Piss
Come
off.
on, stop.
No, you're
Yeah,
not
I've been trying
allowed,
to
Stay
you're
back.
not allowed to take my picture.
Stay back.
Come on,
You're
stop.
not allowed
All
to
right,
take
piss
my
off.
picture.
Go back to where you're
Come
sitting
on.
and I won't
You're
take
not
your
allowed to
picture.
take my picture.
Go back because I'll smack you.
Well, smack me.
It'll piss off. Yeah?
So clearly we can see that this is a hate speech file, and now let me show you the website from where we are taking the input uh, for this directory. Okay, so basically this is the website, and we are going to take the input of the path of the directory here, but currently we have hard coded the path as you can see in the uh, program here. We have hard coded the directory path currently. So as we take the audio file, it gets converted into text, and after that natural language processing is being applied. So let me guide you through it. So as you can see, there is a hate keyword text file which we have read. It contains all the hate keywords, around 300 hate words. Okay, so Coming back to the program, now as we go down, we can see that we have used tokenization, word tokenization, which will convert the text into tokens and will give us a list of the converted text. Then we have read the stop words. You can see the English language has been given here, which means it will contain all the stop words in English language, which are in, as, the, etc., which we don't need for processing and detecting hate speech. And as we go on, you can see we have removed all the stop words and punctuations. Now the text has been filtered. Now coming to stemming. Now stemming is a process where we bring a particular word into its root form. So let us consider an example. If there is a word affected, affecting, or let's say words like that, the uh, root word is affect for all this. So stemming will bring those words into its root form, which is affect. Now coming to lemmatization. Lemmatization will give a meaning to the word. So in stemming, what happens is we have suffixes, list of suffixes, and they are directly removed from the word. So sometimes the lemma, which is the meaning of the word, gets changed. So lemmatization takes care that the meaning of the word is there. Now, moving forward, uh, as you can see, we are checking for the count of hate words now. Uh, Once we have counted the hate words, we are calculating the hate percentage. So if the hate, we have kept a threshold value of around 10%. So if there is a percentage of more than 10% hate speech, we won't allow the user to upload the file. Else, we will allow the user to upload the file. Moving forward, uh, here what we are doing is we are replacing all the hate words with a star, so that before uploading, there are no hate words in the audio file. And moving forward, you can see we have also showing the frequency of the hate words in the audio file. And now we are going to run the program. Before running the program, I would like to say that after we have done all the processing, there will be a directory created on the left hand side of the screen, and this directory will contain the date and the time. Uh, once this directory will contain the date and time, and will contain the text file. After that, um, the text file will again get converted back to its audio format. So that's it. Now we will run the program. So as you can see, the process has been initiated. The files have been read from the directory that we had shown you earlier, and it will take around 30 seconds to 1 minute for each file to get processed. So here you can see the processing has been done. On the left side, you can see this directory has just been created, and all the hate words around are in the audio file have been detected and have been successfully replaced by the asterisk mark. And you can also see a test1.mp3 file which has been created. So we have successfully converted an audio file into text, removed all the hate words from it, and converted it back to the audio file, which won't contain those hate words anymore. So that's all. Thank you.